Hey crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs and thanks so much for stopping by today. We are on day 10 already of the Gina K Designs 12 Days of Christmas box unboxing. So let's check out what we had today. Yesterday we had a super fun birthday kind of slash New Year's celebration kind of stamp set and die set. If you haven't seen that one, you can go back. I will have the playlist in the description box and over on my blog at egidesigns.com. And I will also have any of the projects that I make with this stuff under the same playlist, so you can check that out there. Let's see. Whoa, it is Jeannie. It's smaller than an A2 size card. Just looking at the guide on my mat. What could it be? It's only this big. Any guesses? I don't know. Alright, let's see. Ooh, this is something new. This is called spatter paint, and this is white. So you can easily add spatter effect to any project. Wow. Alright, cool. Let's see. I have a scrap. And it looks like a little, like a nail polish. Oh, look at that. And you could brush it on or just tap it on like that. But that's what it looks like. Very bright white. Will add a lot of great interest and texture to your cards. That is awesome. Having spatter or splatter is always fun for your cards, right? And you can make it as snow or just add some other details. Anyway, so today for day 10 we have spatter paint in white. And that is a new product, so that is very, very exciting. Alright, thank you so much for stopping by today. I appreciate it. And tune in for tomorrow for day 11. We'll see what we got going on. Alright, thanks so much for stopping by. Until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.